Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 15, that is making of independent Indian constitution, India's constitution. And who wrote this? Many people from the CASM, Constitution Assembly members, elected Constitution Assembly members have written the constitution, and in this many people's views, opinions, intellectual, common people, ideas, views, suggestions, everything taken into consideration, and they have written the constitution by 1949. Okay, in 1949 they have completed, but it came into existence in 1950, 26 January, 26 Jan 1950. Okay, it is came into existence. So in these 8 months, almost in August, November, in November they have said they completed, and 26 January 1950 it came into existence. Within the 8 months time, during that duration, it kept it open to the public. So because of that, they have a lot of lot of discussions, ideas, and if any leftover things are there, they can if they can add, or if any unnecessary things are, they can delete. These are all the things that happened in the constitution. They completely gave a open discussion to the public. Okay, and at that time they had a lot of newspapers. They made some see this picture. Such questions he will ask nowadays. And what is the two domains? See this. This is the newspaper, that is Statesman newspaper. In that Statesman newspaper, there is a question. What different items can you identify it in discuss? So if such a picture it gives, and he asks a question, what you will write? For example, two dominions are born. So what you have to write for this? You have to keep a side heading, two dominions are born. And what you have to write? The two dominions are India and Pakistan were born on 15th August 1947 and 14th August 1947, and 1/5 of the world population set free. So this is about the two dominions are born. Next, see the one more heading. What's that? Joyful scenes in Calcutta. What are these? Joyful scenes in Calcutta. So Hindus and Muslims respectively joyfully celebrated the Independence Day. That is one thing. And one more thing you can see, work for common prosperity. Work for common prosperity they have given. Work for common prosperity. See here, you can see this. Work for common prosperity. So what you have to write for this? Work for common prosperity. The Constitution Assembly members of India and Pakistan took the oath to work for common prosperity. So both of them, they for the independence, they both worked. After that there is a division, that is the second thing. But both were worked together for Indian independence, and Pakistan and India took the oath to work for common prosperity, and they will have a mutual cooperation and all, they said. And next is close friendship with Britain. Close friendship with Britain. Where is it? Yes. So close friendship with Britain. Attlee was the Prime Minister of Britain who granted freedom to India, for which Nehru was thankful in his words, and saying that India will have a close friendship with Britain. This is unnecessary actually. They have given freedom, that is, we took freedom from them. So we no need to say thank you to them, thankful to them. And they said, but it's a formality sake, they said close friendship with Britain. Attlee was the Prime Minister of Britain who granted freedom for which Nehru was thankful in his words, and saying that India will close friendship with Britain. Next, first cabinet. See here, there is a picture. First cabinet of India begins to function. So Indian cabinet sworn in under the Prime Ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru. There were 14 ministers in his cabinet. So first cabinet of India was started because once the constitution was existing, and the other thing, we got freedom. Now we are a complete freedom. That is Purna Swaraj we got. So with the Purna Swaraj, we have to do all the things, and how to do, and how to govern the rules, and what are the fundamental rights. These are all decided, and we have written a biggest constitution. Ours is the biggest, lengthiest and written constitution. And so we discussed the Indian cabinet sworn in under prime ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru, and there were 14 cabinet ministers were there in his cabinet. Next, first governor of Bengal. First governor of Bengal is Dr. C. Rajagopalachari. Chakravartula Rajagopalachari was sworn in. He is the first governor of West Bengal in 15th August 1947. He sworn, Rajagopalachari sworn is as first governor of West Bengal. First governor of West Bengal. So these are the joyful incidents, and two domains are born political freedom for 1/5 of human race. Power assumed by Indians. Constitution Assembly members take the oath, work for common prosperity. First governor of West Bengal is C.R. Chakravartula Rajagopalachari. And joyful scenes in Calcutta. Celebrations by Hindus and Muslims. First cabinet of India begins to function, and Pandit Nehru heads the ministries. And meeting listens to Mahatma without interruption. Gandhi and Swarodhyay to fast and pray today. Meeting listens to Mahatma Gandhi without interruption. Okay, and Nehru replied to Mr. Attlee, Governor General of Britain. And Constitution Assembly members take the vote for common prosperity. So these are the, and political freedom for 1/5 of human race set free. And these are the things. So if he asks for 4 mark questions, so what he will see, he show this picture, like these pictures, they'll show, observe the newspaper and answer. And what he'll ask the question, what different items can you identify it and discuss. So you can see this item and you can imagine what is going on. So for example, see joyful scenes in Calcutta, celebrations by Hindus and Muslims. So naturally you can write Hindus and Muslims respectively joyfully celebrated the Indian Independence Day, because more Muslims and Bengalis are there in Bengal. Okay, in Calcutta, and more Hindus are also there. So particularly there they mentioned, and work for common prosperity, close friendship with Britain. Attlee was the Prime Minister of Britain who granted freedom to India, for which Nehru was thankful to his words. So like that, so many issues. That means if any clipping or newspaper he can give, then you can write easily, and what to write, and with the sequential things you have to write. Like that, he will give a small paragraph. See, and not only that, you have generally information skills will be given. So what are the information skills? Generally they will give a passage, and from the passage you have to, there are 3 questions. Generally they can give a passage, and you from that passage they can ask questions. That is one paragraph question. And the other thing is, they write a paragraph and interrupt the thing, interpret the thing. Interpret means you have to analyze that passage and you have to write. Don't copy the same paragraph like that. You have to analyze it and write in a point wise. So that is one thing. And sometimes they will give a table information and write questions on that. Sometimes they will have a mic diagrams also. They'll give a pie diagram, and you have to convert in the sentences, points. Or they'll give a table, you have to convert it into a pie diagram. Like that, the number of, these are all comes under information skills. In the information skills, you can give anything. Like even mapping skills, map reading. Mapping also, there are 3 types of skills, mapping skills. What are that? One is, he'll locate a map. He'll give a map and tell you to write a location of the map. One is location of the map. One is map reading. Map reading means already he has given a map. So map reading you have to do it and analyze that situation. For example, climate of India or something. So you have to analyze that map and you have to write the points. Map reading, location of map, observing the map. Like the different skills we have, information, map and information will be given. With that information, you have to write the answers for that particular questions. Like that, there are mathing skills and information skills are there. That is one of the important thing. And such paragraph now I give you now. You just answer the questions for that. 1 second.